Yes, good morning. Christy. You can call me Christy. Yes, it's okay. A little bit nervous. It's okay. I took already. I've done a deep breath already a while ago. None. Yes, I graduated Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Yes, way back in 2006, I experienced teaching face-to-face tutorial with Korean students. In 2018, I have had an experience teaching online English as a second language online for less than 2 years, or yeah, less than 2 years. Yes, I'm not affiliated right now. I think I heard Rare Job way back in maybe 2 years ago from someone I know, but I didn't apply before because I don't have yet the equipments or the internet connection. And now that I'm trying to look for an online job, I remember. So I searched for it in Google because I've heard it before about Rare Job. So in Google, I searched it in Google about Rare Job. I think Rare Job is one of the online platform for English learning in Japan, and that a lot of most of the teachers are Filipinos, and I believe that the kids, most of the students are adults, I think. Yeah, yeah. Okay, ready. First, I'll follow the rules of the company, and of course being on time with the scheduled classes, and teach the best way I can with the lessons, and give more. I will not just rely on the lesson provided, but I can add some things in the lesson so that the students will be satisfied with the lessons or the teaching that the company is providing, or for me as a teacher. I'll make sure that the student will be satisfied with the class that I will be giving to that certain students, or to the students I will be handling. Take a few moments to change, or maybe change the subject that may interest the student, or try to divert in a way that the student will be, his or her attention will be caught by a certain topic that I know he or she will be interested in. And if the focus is already in that topic, then we can go back to the lesson that we are having. Yes, I'll give them certain breaks. Patience is very important to be able to deliver the lesson properly, because if I don't have patience, then the the lesson will not be delivered or be taught properly, or there are tendencies that students cannot learn more if there's no patience in teaching. So it's really important, it's very very much important in teaching, so that students will learn. I have to teach first the lesson from the company, and I can insert a few things about the lesson that he or she likes, but I have to teach first the lesson from the company before teaching the lesson that he or she wants. I'll be asking permission from the student to, I'll just take a few moments to do something. So I'll turn off my audio or camera for a few moments, so that I will resolve the problem on my end. So if he or she permitted me to go off cam, then that's the time I will do that, solve the problem on my end. If it really is disturbing our lesson, I will ask the student if he or she want to take a break or do something first, or I'll give him or her the chance to solve that the commotion on his or her end. So yeah, I'll ask him if he or she likes to take a break for a few moments. Thousand follow. Oh, sorry. But with focus that. It's clear, no question.